This is Sheri with Vireo Life, author of Go Forward 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way, and we have a message for you. And when I say we, I mean this dedicated woman on New Year's morning getting her workout in. So, Moren.
Good morning. Just wanted to share with you that this is the first year in my adult life that I start at my desired weight and shape for the first time ever. And here I am on New Year's Day with Sheri, my mean
Hey now!
who still wanted to walk out on January 1st. She doesn't consider this a true holiday. But I am ready to not only maintain this weight, but to actually build more muscle, more stamina, and meet my health goals. I wish all of you a wonderful new year, and I pray that this is the year that you will end at the goal weight that you intend for yourself. And I also pray that this new year that we will all be God-minded and will be God-focused, and we will attain the very thing that God had in his mind when he created us.